All right, back here in action on John's 56 Bird. We have a rebuild kit in the house, finally, for his original pump. We did attempt to rebuild it with the diaphragms from the Chinese one, and it pumped for like, what, 5 seconds, Bernsey, and then it said, nope, no more?
Yes, sir.
So, I'm in here, I'm doing my thing. I'm going to start...
He's here. He's queer.
What? No. Don't talk about Scotty like that.
What?
Huh?
I would never touch that.
Fine. You lie. Anyway, so got our valves. We're going to rebuild this baby, make it nice. And then we're going to have Bernsey put it back on the car. And hopefully this time it might actually work. And if that's the case, maybe tomorrow John can come get the car, or maybe Wednesday. That'd be great.
Hey! Oi! Oh, crap, my leg.
You alive in there?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So I'm going to continue. I already pulled this one valve out, and it was angled the same way. This would be the valve that will replace that. I'm not going to bang that in yet, because I got to put the gasket. But we have it. Yay, valves. Yay, valves. Valves and other boingy things. All right, so we got our new valves in the vacuum side already. We'll flip this over. I'm going to pull out our little retainer and our little rubber here. Ooh, yay, rubbers. Bernsey.
I don't know how to use those.
Yeah, I know we don't. What's a rubber? Oh.
I mean, at least I have proof that I at least had some fun.
Hey, just because mine are stupid don't swim, okay?
Hey, I didn't say anything. And I'm not making fun of you. That's not nice.
Are your swimmers retarded?
On video, you said the
Wrong hole?
R word. No, they're deformed and they wreck. That wasn't fun. This fought me like 3 or 4 times. I'd take everything back apart a couple times. But all new valves are in. Look at all the old valves. They're all effed. All new valves are in. New seals. Bernsey, after lunch,
Gotcha.
you're on it.
We're gonna listen to that car purr like a kitten.
Or we're going to huck this across the street. One or the other. It'll be fun either way.